Okay, this is the Rough Rider Heritage. Heritage is the company that makes it, and this is the Rough Rider model. This is the 22. Now this particular gun fires two different kinds of bullets. Well, I'm going to say two that I'm going to use. It does shoot long rifle bullets, 22s, and shorts. And there's various kinds of long and short bullets. Also, this cylinder right here, this one shoots Winchester Magnums. When I first got this, before I took this cylinder out, I noticed that there was one of these orange things in there. And to remove this, you go like this with your fingernail. This is the one that was in this cylinder right here. You take that out. Just take the cylinder out and then peel this off. Alright, and this one, same thing. If you want this off of here, it's on this part where you have notches. Where the notches are, that's where you put this orange disc. Just take your fingernail, pull it off like that. Alright, now this is the Winchester Magnum cylinder, and you can just you have to load it after you get the cylinder in there. It's not recommended that you load it like this and then put it in, because it could go off. Another thing I'm going to mention is that this has a standard trigger and trigger guard. Also, on this particular model, you have these grips. Now this gun, as I said, is a Heritage Rough Rider 22 long rifle and Winchester Magnum. That's the two kinds that it will shoot. If you look here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9-chamber cylinder. Now, that's the same with this one here. So this particular gun can shoot 9 rounds. Also, this is a 6.5-inch barrel, and as it says on here, it's Heritage Manufacturing, Bainbridge, Georgia, and the cylinder, or this barrel, says Heritage Rough Rider 22 caliber. This is going to be about 15 yards. I'm going to try to hit those cans. Spray adhesive, and what I did, I used this to spray adhesive on my travel trailer, and then I used bats of insulation to stick them onto the walls of my travel trailer. So here we've got a hole right there. Okay, next we'll try this. And it'll be 15 yards again. This time I'm going to show the exit holes. Right there, and right down there. So I hit it all 3 times. Now we're going to try the other paint can right over here. That one flew way up in the air. And here's the exit hole and the entrance hole both, because it sort of hit the side of it. A whole bunch of paint came out. You can see the paint down here. Now I'm going to show how to change cylinders. And I'm not too good at this, but we'll try it. Alright, first of all, if you look at these 2 cylinders, this one is for the long rifle bullets, and this one is for the WMR. WMR, which stands for Winchester Magnum Rimfire. Rimfire is what 22s are. And the reason why they call them rimfires is because the primer is in the rim. And when the firing pin hits that rim, that's what fires it. Now, what these right here are Hornady Critical Defense 22 WMRs. 45 grain, it looks like. FTX bullet. Alright, so first of all, you want to pull this pin out. Press this button right here. Comes out pretty easy. Lay that aside. And then take the cylinder out. I'm going to put this on safety. This is the safety right here. When it's unsafe, this goes down. So for safety, put this little button up so that it's pointing with the pointed part. It's pointing up. Okay? And you take the cylinder, slide it out. Now I found out that these little orange things are for a purpose. If you take one of these orange things and put it on here like this, it keeps the bullets inside the cylinder. So if you want to change it, take that out. Now it says do not load this with all of these bullets in here, so I'm going to take them all out. Okay, now we'll try to put it back in there. There we go. Yeah, you have to take that orange thing out, take all the bullets out. Okay, now we're going to put this pin back in. Turn it over like this. Carefully put this thing back in there. You have to line it up, which isn't easy. Okay, I found out I had to pull the hammer back to this second notch. It clicks 2 times, and that's where you put the hammer at that position. All right, now it's ready to load. Okay. Now at this second position where this hammer is, that's the loading position. And the cylinder spins a little bit more freely. Okay, now you can take them all out. But I'm not going to do that right now. Instead, I'm going to change it over to this WMR cylinder. So, take this, put it in the second position again. There's the first one. There's the second one. Okay, now take this pin out. Right here. Okay, there you go. There's the cylinder all the way out. Takes a little practice, and of course I could have read the manual. I do have the manual. Alright, now we're going to put this one away. So put the orange plastic piece on right here. There's these teeth on here. Teeth. Put that away. Take this one off. Take all the bullets out. These are the magnums. Now we'll try to get the cylinder in. Okay, it helps to open this loading and unloading gate. Put this down like it is right there. Put this pin back in. Okay, there we go.